Hello, teacher. So today I will present my research, Loyalty as a Bridge Building Religious Tolerance in Diverse Campus. So this study will explore how loyalty as a moral value influences relationships and religious tolerance among Malaysian university students. All right, so next one. So this is my contents about introduction, the problem statement, research objective, and also the research questions, literature review, methodology, key finding, visual data, discussion, conclusion, and also my recommendation and reference. So the first of all, the introduction. All right, so Malaysia is a multiple cultural and multi-religious country, and universities are a reflection of this diversity. Religious tolerance is essential for harmony, learning, and respect. Loyalty, when extended across religious and cultural lines, can strengthen trust and create inclusive spaces. So you see the Malaysia diversity and the importance of the religion's tolerance and also the loyalty as a moral foundation. Okay, for the problem statement. So problem statement, despite diversity policies, stereotypes and tensions remain on campuses. Loyalty is a double-edged sword. It builds trust but can also create exclusion if narrowly defined. There's limited research on the loyalty role in the fostering interfaith understanding, which inspires this study. So for my research objective, number one, explore how students define loyalty in multicultural setting. Number two, measure loyalty and the tolerance level among students. Number three, analyzing the link between loyalty and tolerance. And number four, provide recommendations for the promoting conclusion. So for my research question, we asked 4 key questions. And how do students define loyalty? What are their level of loyalty and tolerance? Are loyalty and tolerance connected? And how can university use loyalty to encourage harmony? For the literature review, so moral foundation theory emphasizes loyalty as a moral dimension that shapes trust and group relationship. Morality foundation theory, religious commitment, inventory, education, and tolerance. We will see the literature relevant this topic. So for my methodology, okay, so this was a quantitative cross-section survey with the 50 participants from diverse religious and ethnic groups. The questionnaire has 3 sections. Okay. Demographics, tolerance, and loyalty practices. So we used descriptive statistics, convention alpha for reliability, and person correlation to explore relationships. So you can see the gender distribution of the respondent and religion distribution of the respondent. We're including the Chinese, Malay, and India, and other religion beliefs. And the gender, most of them, the female, are much more willing to answer my question than the male. All right, the key finding. Our measure were highly reliable with a convention alpha of the 0.84. For we found the memory positive correlation between loyalty and tolerance. and minimum differences was observed across a religious group, showing royalty is universal value. Okay, so you can see this is a bar chart comparing tolerance and royalty crossing per religion, and also the demographic summary and a correlation table showing the positive link between royalty and tolerance. Okay, around here, this is the correlation between royalty and tolerance. All right. So for the conclusion, this finding suggests royalty can be bridged rather than a wall. When students feel royalty to each other, they are more willing to respect differences. So educational setting can naturally royalty through programs and culture then emphasizes fairness and empathy. So for the conclusion, in summary, royalty and the tolerance are strongly connected. Share value like honesty and reliability help unite diverse communities. Royalty is a key factor in creating inclusive campus. So for the recommendation, to strengthen interfaith harmony, 1. Integrate royalty then into their leadership and civic programs. 2. Support interfaith activities for the meaningful interaction. 3. Training educators to model royalty as a fairness and trust. The 4. Future studies should include larger samples and interviews. For my future outlook, these lessons go beyond campus. In the workplace, the neighborhoods and families, royalty can help create safer and more inclusive spaces. So celebrating diversity while staying royal to share values builds a stronger society. So for my reference, this slide lists key sources, including the Graham, something on moral foundational theory. So you can see my reference list. So I am Zhouyanjun. This is my presentation. Thank you. So for my group, all my group is only me. I presentation and do this work by myself. I'm so sorry. One thing is I joined this course too late that I cannot find a very suitable group for me. So hope you can accept my apology and thank you.